So we ended up staying at the Muddy Creek Mining Company cabins in Hanksville. These are small little cabins that were perfect for this adventure. So we ended up renting cabin number 15. We had our own parking spot, and let me take you on a tour of our cabin. So from the outside, we had this little porch you could sit on. As you walk up to cabin 15, you'll see they have a shoe cleaner installed where you can get the dust off your shoes. And as you walk in, we had rented the room with 2 queen beds. It has a large television, a desk, a little kitchenette area. This was perfect for us. There's some hooks on the wall to hang your jackets. This is the little kitchenette area with a little refrigerator, sink, and then the bathroom with a toilet, shower, bathtub. Nice big shower head. It had the shampoo, conditioner, body wash, plenty of towels. And overall, this was small, but this was perfect for what we needed for our trip to Hanksville.